Chetna, why are you so worried?
Bhaiya, I'm not worried, but busy. Actually, I have a lot of work to do for Chacha.
What are you doing with these numbers?
These are not numbers, Bhaiya. This is the record of creditors and debtors of Chacha's grocery shop. People take lots of goods on credit, due to which he has to keep record of the amount. Some of them pay part of it, then again he needs to carry forward the remaining amount to the next month. Very confusing and untidy. He has asked me to calculate and prepare this record.
Oh, I know. These are ledger books.
You are very smart. You know everything, but pretend to be ignorant.
No, I'm not. But surely I can help you working with this data in an easy way.
Oh, really? I know you would suggest me to use computer for this.
Yes, again, there is an application or software that helps us work with such kind of data with an ease.
What is this software called?
This is called Microsoft Excel. Let's learn about it. After completing this module, you will be able to identify MS Excel as an electronic spreadsheet. Explain MS Excel workbook window. Use MS Excel to create small budgets.